Today we'll be taking a look at processing a transaction using QuickBooks. For this video, we'll just be using the QuickBooks sandbox environment, but any features displayed in this video can be integrated and customized for your application. To begin, we will first need to create an invoice to be able to collect a payment on. So we'll create an invoice and we'll assign it to myself. Then we will add a line item to this invoice. I'll specify the amounts for this item. And for any item, you can also specify if it is exempt from tax or will include tax. And for the order, you can specify a discount and a percentage or dollar amounts. And the tax is using the state that you have your QuickBooks account set up for, but you can also provide an override tax amount. We'll go on to the next screen here, and this will give us a preview of what the invoice will look like. This is just, again, using the default QuickBooks invoice, so anything seen here can be easily customized to meet your business needs. Go ahead and send that off. I'll pull this over. And so again, this is just the default email that is sent out. So the email body as well as the invoice can be customized. But here, this is just giving us a quick overview of the invoice as well as including that PDF that we saw before. And now that we've got our invoice created, we can go ahead and make a payment on that. So come into sales, and we'll find that invoice we just made. We'll receive payments. One of the nice things about the QuickBooks API is that you have the ability to generate a token that will represent a credit card or an account, which basically just means that whenever you are making your future calls, where you would want to pay, you're just passing that token, so you're not actually exposing any private information over the web. It just kind of added security base. But for this demo, we will just use cash. And then to complete the transaction, we'll just hit save and new. Since this is just the sandbox environment, doesn't have any extra bells and whistles, typically we'll have a customizable sales email that will get sent out after the transaction has been completed, including a customized sales receipt. But here we'll just go ahead and there we can see that we have now completed this transaction. And if we go into the sales, we can now see that that invoice has been paid. If you would like to find out more about integrating QuickBooks into your application, please contact DB Services at dbservices.com.